Good evening to one and all present here. I hope last 2 days sessions is most beneficial to everyone. I think I shared a lot of AI tools which is familiar, which is used for our research and publication process, which is used to supercharge our research progress. So this is Sathishkumar Shankar, Senior Research Fellow at National Institute of Technology, Agartala. So today I want to share about these 3 different topics. The first one is I want to cover reference management tools. So the need of reference management tools is most essential in say nowadays, because before invention of this reference management tool, they are putting the references in the manually. So while we are handling the references by manually, it will be facing the huge complications when once the article rejected from one journal, means we want to change all the references as per the upcoming journal requirement. So these are all several type of the drawbacks is entertained in this manual reference management process. So the reference management tools should be important, and it should be more familiar in nowadays. So all the researchers, early researcher, I don't know that whether they are known about the reference management tool. When I start my career, that time I don't know about reference management tool. I am putting my reference in manually only. After that, I familiarized that reference management tools. So nowadays I'm using the various reference management tool, especially 1 or 2 I will recommend today's session. So next things I want to discuss today is infographic development AI tools. There are, we want to present our ideas, present our research finding by the research articles. So we want to play the infographics play the vital role in that research article presentation. So we want to create attractive infographics like a chart or a flow diagram, bar diagram or pie chart. So any one of the chart, any one of the infographics, we want to that infographics should be attractive. So it will be increasing our acceptance rate for the publication. So I want to discuss about some most familiar and user-friendly infographics development tool. Next things I want to do that I want to add so many AI tools, other significant AI under the topic of other significant AI tool for researchers. So as your researchers, what are the AI tools is required our day-to-day life, or required for completing our PhD, or required for sustain, secure our job and improve our publication process. So I want to list out the so many AI tools under the other significant tools. So I'm starting from reference management tool. So here, before starting the reference management tool, what are the reference management tool available? I want to discuss in upcoming slide. So before starting that, before introduction of that AI tools, I want to give why the reference management tool is more important for researchers. So first one is the organization. So if you are writing your article, so if you are writing your research article, means moreover 30 to 40 reference, it's enough for that. If you are publishing that particular article in essay journal also, in that research articles of 40 to 30 to 50 references enough. But if you are writing the review article, means if you want to publish that review article in SCI journal, that journal should be that review article should be cited more than 100 references. So in this case, when you are going to handle that more than 100 references, your organization is more difficult. So if you want to change anything, so you want to change all the references, you want to change any one of the references. If you are using the numbering system, there are the n number of reference style system is there. So depends upon the journal. Before selecting the journal reference style, you can go through that respective journal websites. You can go to the author guideline options. You can find out which reference style that particular journal they are accepting for the publication. So that is the most important things. Here, if you are handling the more than 100 references or more n number of references, means the organization is a big task. It will be consuming the more time. So when you are handling manually, so the reference management tool, it will be helpful for reducing your time, increasing your efficiency. After that, increasing your efficiency. So if you are handle the references in manually, means it will be take 100 reference, mean it will be take for 1 day or 2 day. It may depends upon the person, depends upon the timing. So but if you are using any reference management tool, you can change the reference style or any of the correction you want to change, depends upon the journal. You can change within the single click. So everything, it will be automatically changed. So it will be obviously increase your efficiency. Third one is accuracy. So accuracy is the most important thing. So sometimes when we are handling the references manually, duplication it may be occur. Single references may be cited the two. Single references you may cite any more than 2, more than 5, it depends upon the need. But in the reference section, that reference should be stated in only one time. So but sometimes when we are handling that, it will be happen in my cases also. When we are handling manually in the references, that time we are stated the same references the 2 time or 3 time. More than 100 reference means we want to know, we won't know about that references already we are placed or not. So it will be happen. So when we are using the reference management tool, it will be eliminate this type of the errors. It will be increasing our accuracy. So fourth one is the collaboration. So collaboration in the recent days, there are all the universities, all the reputed university, or all the colleges, they are motivate their motivate their professor or assistant professors, they collaborate to that national and international level. So in that nowadays there's so many of researchers in that team. See, they are being in the team. So the more than minimum 5 to 6 member in the team, means one person is writing that abstract introduction, one person writing is that method and material section, one person writing the result and discussion. So finally finally they are consolidated that article, they are going to submit. So that time, introduction sections, one professor is writing the one author is writing the introduction section, means so another person is writing the method and material. It may be the same reference is cited in the 2 places, it will be stated in the 2 times. So it will be happen. But in this reference management tools, they are having the one option for the group. So you can create the group, you can add your colleague in that group. So who are all available, who are all joining that particular group, all the peoples are accessing that group reference library. So it will be increasing our productivity, increasing our accuracy, and it will be reducing our time. So next one is version control. There are different type of the reference style is available in depends upon the journal. It will be varied. So some journal is asking for author journal name is full journal name is required. That International Journal of Mechanical Engineering. This is the full name of that particular journal. But some journal is asking for the abbreviation. So IJMAT. So that is enough for that. So I think recently I have one experience. The journal is not asking for the journal name. They are asking for author name and the article name, and the apart from that, what is the DY number or volume number, like that. So it depends upon the journal, it will be vary, but we want to give all the references in similar manner. So one reference like one style, one version, another reference we will put maybe another version, means it will be giving the huge headache. So if the article is accepted means when going to the before publication, the editor is calling the author, they are insisted to change everything. So that time it will be giving the huge headache. So version control, if you are using the reference management tool, the version control is 100%. You can control the version, all the references. Next one, the cross-platform compatibility. All the reference rules you can the plugins is available, so you can using the plugins in the MS Word or LaTeX plugin. You can easily cite your references in the respective places. You can easily list the bibliography based on your requirement. So these are all the 6 different significance for using the reference management tool. So here I have listed the several reference management tool which is available, which is effectively used by the researchers. First one is the EndNote. The EndNote is provided by the Web of Science. Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir. EndNote is provided by the Web of Science, so you can download the EndNote. You can use that EndNote. So mainly is provided by the Science Direct, so it's a Scopus. So you can it is freely available. You can download and access. It is a desktop version also available. Web library website version is also available. You can directly add your library, add the article in that particular library. You can cite the article where you want. So next thing, Zotero is a non-profit organization. They will provide it for the such excellent service. Based on I have used these first 4 reference tools. The Civil, Zotero, mainly, and Node. So in Zotero, among that, the Zotero, it will be giving my pleasant experience when accessing my reference, when organize my references. So I'm personally recommend. So if it's a non-profit organization, it will be access for free. So you can download the web version. You can library also. It's an online library also available. So you can directly add the article in that particular Zotero. So you can access that. You can cite the article where you want. So Civil is a
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yes, sir. Please.
The app which is called as Mendeley,
Yes, sir.
some of the journals actually ask us to upload our what should I say, the master chart
With
in Mendeley or something. Is this the same thing of that?
Sir, I am not understand. You are telling you want to upload the reference.
Not
The
the
doc.
references, the
Hmm.
master chart and the other things. Some of the journals ask for this specific Mendeley this thing. Some of the PubMed this thing.
Hmm.
So is this the same as that or?
So we don't want to upload anything. So you can directly add from the add from the online. So I will give the demo. Then you can ask
Yeah,
the
yeah.
question,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Sir, yes. So Zotero is the best reference management tool. I have experienced the first 4 tools. So Zotero giving the pleasant experience. I will also say same, which is working by the Mendeley and Zotero. And Refor is a paid version. So you want to pay and get the subscription from the respective this is also, I think, is provided by the Science Direct, Web of Science. Science Direct Scopus. So SciTavi, RefDP, and BibMe, these are all the private various reference management tools. So it will be follow that first 4. What are the options available? So all the options available here. Here the SciTavi and Refux you need to subscription, but here the RefDP and MyBib and BibMe is not under the subscription. You can easily use that. Among that, I am personally suggest that you can use Zotero, giving the pleasant experience. So if you are using, so these are all the most familiar AI tools for AI reference management tools for Word. So if you are using the LaTeX, so if you are using the preparation the document by the LaTeX means these are all the AI tools. It will be compatible to the LaTeX software. So Cytese and the Civil is both of them. If you are selecting the Civil, you can use that Word also. You can use the LaTeX also, and then Tricks and Petal and Site Drive. These are all the software These are all the softwares is compatible with the latex these are all the AI tools is compatible to the latex software. So depends upon your need. If you are familiar in the latex, you can choose any one of the AI tools. So I don't have experience in the latex software. I'm using the Word. I will give the demo in the Word only. I will.
Sir, what is latex, sir? I'm not getting, sir. What is the purpose, sir? Latex.
Latex is a sir, it's a word. You are preparing the document by the word, na sir. By the normally we are preparing the document by the word. So is a opponent, the competitor, the word with the MS word, the competitor is a latex. In the latex, we can develop the documents. So through the program. So if you have the based on the performance, based on the accuracy, based on the clarity of the document, the latex is best. But you want to know about the program. You want to give all the input by the program. So that is the document preparation software only, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So, sir, 1 minute. I will check one question is came. I will give mainly and mainly data are same or different. So mainly is the reference management tool. Mainly data means what are the I don't know clear about that. Mainly is I think is the both are same. So I'm not hearing.
Actually, last time what happened was this happened to me when I was, I think it was 2 years, 1 year back, I guess, if I'm not wrong. I had sent an article for Dave Publications in New Zealand. And there what happened was they asked me to upload my data in Mendeley. Whatever the data that I had to upload in Mendeley, and my postgraduate actually took care of it, but I was confused between that.
Okay, personal data means in like a metadata or mainly data. I'm confusing that. Mainly data means what they are mentioned, sir.
I mean, the data, whatever we are studied, whatever the study is there, the data has to be uploaded in Mendeley platform, and they see all the statistics, I guess, if I'm not wrong.
Okay, sir. I don't know. I don't have the clear idea about that. Mainly, I'm using the reference management tool only. Mainly is we have the profile. Mainly profile is the metadata. I know the mainly data. So how we can upload that article. I think I have submitted more than 20 plus article in the various reputed journal, but I'm not facing this type of the experience in the earlier. Sir. Sorry for the inconvenience.
So nowhere you have uploaded your.
No, sir. I'm not uploading any data in that Mendeley database.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you. So next, I want to give the screenshot about the EndNote. This is the EndNote forums. I will open and I will give the demo for that. So this is the plugins I have installed. Once you install the EndNote, so it will be automatically deducted by your MS Word. So you can directly go to the MS Word and the particular document where you want to cite the particular references. You can directly search and cite the particular references, particular reference in the particular place. So I will give the demo. And mainly is the same reference tools. Zotero also the same tool. So Civil also what are the option is available in that last three last three tools. It is Civil's also the same play the same role in that reference management process. And MyBib are the same tools also. So next I will go to that give the demo first. Oh my God. Rajesh, my screen is not visible, right?
It is in SS, not visible.
Yeah, okay. On that, I will give them my whole screen. So here you can see this is my document. So you can once install the EndNote, Zotero, or Mendeley, any one of the tool or all the tools. I have installed the 4 tools, one Mendeley also and Zotero and EndNote also. Civil also I have installed. So I am familiarly used. I am familiarly initially I started my reference management tool EndNote. Now currently I shifted to the Zotero. The comparatively EndNote, Zotero giving the good experience for me. So only I am selecting. So nowadays I am using Zotero only. So first I am starting from the EndNote. So how we can add the reference to the EndNote? That is the most important things. You want to go. You will go that. How we can add the reference means you go that Google. Okay, we just 1 minute. Google Scholar. I'm searching the any one of the articles. So I'm searching biotribology. So here you can see there are a number of article is there. So which article I want to download, which article I want to cite in that particular place. So I'm going to I'm clicking here option, the cite option. So you can click that cite option. Here there are different type of reference style is available. Here you can see MLA and APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver. Especially you are going to publish the most of the elsewhere and Taylor and Francis journal. They are accepting for the APA 7th edition. So sometimes the APA 6th edition also they are accepting. So it depends upon the journal. So when you are completed the selection of the journal, so you can go to the author guidelines. So you can look over that which reference style they are referred. Based on the requirement, you can select your reference style. How we can select the reference style? I will give that. The Chicago hardware. Here you can see here the EndNote option is available. So here you can give that. Click the EndNote option. My EndNote references here is downloaded. Here it will be added. Here you see my reference is added in the EndNote library. Is a Limbert. Name is Limbert. So I want to cite this particular article in my paper means you can directly go to that in that particular where you want to cite that particular article. You can click the cursor before the dot. Before initial stages, I make a big mistake because I am using references, handling the references is manually, but I am putting the references after the dot. So that time the editor is giving the suggestion for you cite the references before the dot. That is the good. I don't know initially. So before the dot, you can place your cursor and you can go to that EndNote 9. Once you install the EndNote software, it's directly updated here. So here the option is available, insert citation. So you give the insert citation, insert. So here you can search which name, which article I am added that. So Limbert, I think Limbert. Okay. So here I am added that article in my EndNote library. It is available in my. It is updated here also. So here you can see, you can simply click that article and insert your citation. Here you can see the reference is updated. Reference is updated. Here the reference style, reference style I will let you know later. So here once the updated, once I putting the references in, once I insert the references, automatically the bibliography is placed in the after the content. After the content is finished, then the references is the bibliography started from the end of the content, end of the conclusion or end of the content. Okay, now I want to change the reference style. So reference style, there are different type of the reference style they are available. There are depends upon the journal, it will be varied. So this is the most important things I want to convey here, the importance of reference management tool. Initially I am selecting one journal. That journal is followed the reference style is numbering system, but unfortunately that journal is rejected my article. Then I want to resubmit my article to the another journal, but that journal is following the different reference styles. So that time I want to change everything. If I am using the if I'm not using any reference management tool, I want to change manually one by one. You change one references, you want to change all the numbers, so it will be a huge attack. It will be consume the more time. So only the reference management tool is the most important nowadays. So it will be supercharge our increasing our productivity. So it reducing the time unwanted times. So here you can see I'm selecting in the numbering system, so only it will be showing for number. So I'm going to select my APS 7. So I'm one click I have giving here. So here automatically the Limbert ETL 2019. This is the reference format for APS 7th edition. So here you can see depends upon that reference style, the bibliography is automatically updated. So this is the best. Any one of the tool you can use, but you can practice the reference management tool. It will be helpful for you. So you want to select another reference management tool. So here you can see again it will be changed. APS 6, APS 7, there is no huge difference. While using the APS 6, there is no DOI number. While using your APS 7, the DOI number is already it will be updated. It will be updated. Whether it is not updated when you are downloading the EndNote file from the journal. So sometimes the DOI number is not updated. So sometimes you want to copy and paste in that EndNote file. So how we can edit that particular file? I want to give the demo for that. So here you can double click this. Here you can see here the DOI number is not available. It will be happen in the EndNote. So only I am discontinued to use the EndNote. So most of the time the DOI number is not updated here. So I want to manually go to that particular journal website. I want to copy and paste the DOI number. So it is be giving the more it will be consuming the more time. So only I am going using the EndNote. So this is the you want to change that. Here the EndNote. Another problem is here you can see the journal name is updated in the author section. So this is also one of the major problem in the EndNote. I don't know the updated versions. This is the cracked version. So if you go to the updated version, you want to get the subscription from the Web of Science. So that is the problem. So I'm using the cracked version. Cracked version okay, but these two type of inconvenience I'm facing during using EndNote. So this is one way for adding the references. Again, I'm moving for Mendeley. So I want to insert my citation. I want to add the citations. Means mainly it's especially for they are providing by the Scopus. So you can directly go to the Scopus websites. You can in the right side corner it will be showing for the add the Mendeley option. So I'm going to add the references. So any one of the place I'm adding here. Okay. So I'm selecting one of the article. Sent. Here the options available, add to Mendeley. So if you not convenient here, so you can go to that. You can install the Chrome extension also. It will be giving the good experience. I'm clicking here the Chrome extension. So this article strengthened bioactivity of polymer composite containing multi-walled carbon nanotube and bioactive glasses. So here the same articles I want to add this article here. So my I have added that particular article in my Mendeley library. Okay. Next I am moving for my Word file. So here I want to place my Mendeley that particular references I want to cite here. So here I want to go that references. So Mendeley sites available. You can go to that place. Here you can see strengthened bioactivity of peak composite containing multi-walled carbon nanotube and bioactive glass. The same references, which reference I added in my library, it will be updated here. You can check and insert your citations. Okay, here that the citations is updated through the APA format. You want to change the style. So you can go to that more option. So here you can see the citation setting is available in the right side corner. Here you can change the reference style what you want. So depends upon the journal, depends upon your selected journal. You can select any one of the, especially you are going to the Sage publisher, is one of the premier publisher for mechanical engineering. So they are accepting for a Vancouver reference style. If you want to go to publish your article in that Taylor and Francis and elsewhere, means they are accepting for the APA 7 or APA 6, APA 7 format, they are accepting for that. So depends upon your need, you can select your reference styles, you can update at that. So that's all. So next you want to insert the bibliography. That is the most important thing. Here you can see here that there is the option for I have cited my article here. I want to add my bibliography here. Here there is an option in that insert bibliography. So here you can see that same journal I have cited here. That journal is added in my bibliography after the conclusion session. So or after the end of the content, it will be added, or where you want you can place your cursor. So what is the difference between the EndNote and mainly means EndNote is directly added. Once you insert the citation, is automatically added end of the document. But in the mainly and Zotero, you can place your cursor where you want you fix your bibliography. That place you can give the insert citation. After that, the citation will be inserted in that particular place. Next things. So next I am moving for Zotero. Zotero is the best tool. So if you want to use the Zotero, it is a good. It will be giving the good experience. So here I want to give one. This is okay. So here you can see the biotribology, friction, wear, and lubrication of natural snow joint. So here I'm same thing. What are the protocol I followed from the EndNote? So same protocol. I'm clicking the site. Here you can see, though here this is the site will also is updated. You can click that reference manager. This is the Zotero reference management tool. You can download that reference manager file. You can open that file. So here it will be showing, do you want to import the file Scholar RAS? I will upload, yes, I want to upload. Okay. Okay, it is updated. So I want to insert my citation in that particular reference. Okay. So in this place, okay, I'm selecting this place. I want to insert my citation. So you can go to that dedicated page of Zotero. So here add and edit. You can go. I want to check the name. Free. Here you can see the biotribology, friction wear, the same references is updated here also. So I am simply click that and give the enter. So here you can see the reference is automatically added. If you want to change the reference style, means you can go to that author bibliography. So you can add the bibliography, just wait. If you want to change the reference style, means you can go to the document preferences. Here you can see there are, if you are selecting EndNote and Menly, you can only you can select it for the reference styles. But here Zotero, if you can select the journal. So if you want to submit the journal, so now currently I am working my paper. I want to submit my article in Act of Biomaterialia. This is impact factor 9.6. So directly I am selecting this particular journal. The journal, based on the journal requirement, the reference it will be added in my paper. So this is the option. There is no available in the Mendeley and EndNote, but when you are using that Zotero, that time you can select the reference style based on the journal. You can select the journal here also. So you want to add the more journals. So here there are giving that the limited journal. So you can go to, you want to add the more journal, then you can go to the manage style. Manage style, get additional style. You can click that get additional style. Here there are several type of journals. What are the journals available? Most of the journals here available. So you can directly select your journal. So if you are selecting the particular journal, you want to before writing your article, you want to select your journal. So after selecting your journal, you can go to the Zotero. Same journal you select in the Zotero also. Your reference style based on the journal requirement, it automatically added. You want to give the separate space for that references. So it will be good platform for that Zotero. So one more information I want to inform here. So if you are using the Zotero, you will get the 2 GB of space. You can, your library, it may be contained up to 2 GB. But if you are selecting the Mendeley, you will get only the 300 MB. Your library will be up to 300 MB. You can add your article in your library. Otherwise, you want to go to the subscription. But the Zotero it will be giving for up to 2 GB. You can add the library. You can add more number of articles what you want. So what are the things you want to study? So it will be more helpful, and it will be giving for the pleasant experience. Once the reference is added here, you can directly go to, you can click the cursor and add the bibliography. It's a bibliography, it's automatically added. So okay, so this is the reference management tools. So until if you have any queries in this stage, so I will give I will answer that question, then I can move my further slides.
Sir, suppose in the introduction part, some references we are mentioning. The
Yes,
same
sir.
reference we wanted to mention in the conclusion session also, or the discussion. That time, repetition of the references, how to avoid, sir? It will ask either new number or the same number.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir. That is a new number. No, sir. One references, selecting in that particular article, you can cite n number of time in your research article. But in the reference section, you should be stated only one time. So you can cite that reference introduction sections. One means you can same number you can cite conclusion also. That is not a problem, sir. But you don't want to put 2 times under same references. That is duplication.
Yes. So the same number I can add in the such a
Yes, sir,
discussion.
yes, sir. Same number you can add. Here I will show. I will show. Here I want to show. Here I am adding that one references.
But
Okay.
it is not accepting. It asks me to give new number. What to do?
No, sir. It is not. It is not asking for new number. Once you are once you insert that particular references, after that you are adding the 3 or 4 times, it will be not assigned the new number. It will be for same number which is assigned in before. I'm telling. Okay. I'm giving the demo now, sir. Same number I will add now. So here you can see. So here I'm adding one reference. Okay, I'm adding my reference only. Sathishkumar. Okay, I'm adding this reference. It is the one, right, sir? I think this document is visible, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So again, I'm adding the another reference. Comprehensive review. Okay. Now here two, Nazar.
Yes.
Yeah. Now I am adding the same reference which I added the one reference one. I am adding the same reference here. What, sir? It will be showing for one only.
Yes. Okay.
Because already I am cited that reference. How many times you are calling that reference? It will be showing for the what are the which number you are assigned in the first time. That number only will be assigned. So you introduction section you can cite the same reference, or conclusion section also you can scan the same references. No issue for that.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, this is my reference management tool. Okay. Any queries in this stage? So I'm really happy for.
So these are all paid versions, sir. Menley, EndNote.
Sir, mainly is not a paid version. Everything is the free version only, sir. But limitation is there, sir. The library limitation is mainly 300 MB. If you are using Zotero you want to upload, you can add your article up to 2 GB. So Zotero is the best tool, sir. You can use it is an open access tool only. More than 2 GB or more than 300 MB, you want to space means you want to go to the subscription. But EndNote is not an open access software. It is provided by the Web of Science, but the Web of Science is not providing for the individual access, but they are providing for the institutional access. So if your institution is if you are having the access, you can access the EndNote also, sir. But comparatively, Zotero is a non-profit organization. It is free of cost. You can use this.
Okay, sir. So for nowadays, article writing can be possible only with all these softwares, na? Without one, very difficult to write.
Yes, sir.
Like
Yes, sir. So only recent days you can see the one author is published 30 SCI article per year. How it's possible?
Oh my God.
Hello.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please.
Sir, like you mentioned, if we upload more than 2 GB data or some digit you told. So is it once if we cross that limit, or is it for 1 month only?
No, ma'am. 1 month, not 1 month. If you cross that limit, if you cross the 2 GB means you want to go to the subscription. That is the lifetime access only. But more than 2 GB is very up to 2 GB is more than enough, ma'am. Because we are writing the review article means up to 2 GB you can reach minimum 1000 article you can add in your library.
Okay.
So once the paper is published, you can remove your article from that library. So that's all. So you don't want to go to the subscription. But if you want to go to the more than 2 GB, you don't want to pay that per monthly access. You want to pay that space is a one-time fees.
Okay, got it, sir. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, this is the I want to convey that. So I want to humble request. So I want to give my humble request to everyone. So please use the reference management tool. It will be helpful and reduce your time and increasing your productivity. Sorry. So here I have mentioned that some of that crucial AI tools for research writing. So here I have different type of AI tool I have mentioned. So first one is title. So you want to generate the title in your research. So you can go to by the keywords in that particular website. You directly go to give the keywords. It will be giving the impressive titles of your research work. Research paper. So you can directly go to that website. So you can check whether the title is suitable for you, or you want to get the title from there and modify depends upon your convenience. That is okay. So, but my suggestion, if you are any of the AI content, you don't directly use in your research article. Sometime, most of the time it's not most of the time it will be giving the small problem, but sometime it will be giving the severe problem. So before copy and paste of AI content in your research article, you think more than 2 or 3 times. So next one is the abstract. You can give your keywords based on keywords that tools you give the AI given for concise abstracts depends upon your need. So based on you can rewrite or you can modify that abstract based on your requirement. Then keywords. The keyword selection is a more important things, but that keyword selection. The most of the researchers they are not giving they are not consider that keywords. Because based on the keywords only, everything it will be happen. You will get the citations. Your article it will be coming. It will be coming in the Google. So everything is based on the keywords. Before writing the keywords, you can think. So minimum your what are the keywords you are using in your research article? Minimum 5 times, minimum 3 to 5 times that keywords repeated in your abstracts. So that is the most important things. So you can if what are the words is repeated in your abstract, so you can add that words in the keyword. Some of the people is doing like this. So they are writing the title. So through the what are the contents available in the title, they are same words they are using as the keyword. That is totally wrong. So one words we can getting from the titles, but remaining 4 words we are getting from our abstract. What are the words is repeated 3 to 4 times, so you can use that keyword. Your research article easily visible to everyone, so it will be giving that good impact in your citations. So that is important things. So next one, the literature review. So yesterday I discussed about the literature review AI tools. So the answer this IO is the best tool, and typeset IO is nothing but it's a size piece only. These tools are giving that best experience for literature review and review writing. And infographics, you want to give you want to create attractive infographics in your research article, means you want to present. Nowadays how the authors present the research article. Here the researchers, they are dedicatedly doing research or not, it is the results are true or not. Apart from that, so how we can present our article, that is the most important things. Here I have mentioned the 2 different tools. One is the Canva, another one is a Vpic. So Vpic is is a before version is a free pick. That is they are invented, the free pick companies, they are invented in the Vpic infographic development tool. Also in the Vpic you can create the contents. There are a lot of the option available, but the infographics based on that performance, the infographic is play the vital role in the Vpic Vpic website. So you can create your infographics. You can utilize the Canva and Vpic. The Canva particular images. If it is listed out the so many of suggestions. So some of the infographics you want to pay and buy that. So but Vpic it's purely free. So you can what are the documents available, what are the infographics available in the Vpic website, you can freely access that. You can freely customize that infographics, and you can utilize in your research article. That is the most important thing. So next one is the language editing. So language editing, we can go to first giving the preference for the Grammarly. So next we can go to the Trinka. Trinka AI is also is a play the vital role, is a recent for language editing. And the next, proofreading. Moreover, the language editing is a proofreading, moreover similar. If you are once the language editing, so you can find out that the flow of your article, any of the places is a complex or ambiguity. So that time it is not understandable for common man. So that time you can using this type of the tools, the languagetool.org and aiming away app, aiming way software. Yesterday I discussed about the aiming way also. So proofreading, we can utilize these 2 software, these 2 AI tools based on your need. So last one is the reference organization. I recommend the Zotero. So it will be giving the good experience for you. So here I have mentioned the AI. Yes, ma'am, please.
Sorry to interrupt.
No, 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 ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am.
In the infographics part, you mentioned about Canva and VPIC. Canva, relatively, I think most of us have used, but VPIC, is it okay to use any of these infographics that VPIC has without any copyright infringement?
No, ma'am, no copyright issue is coming from the VPIC. So I am regularly using the VPIC. It's a newly website. So I think before 6 months only, it's a free pick. Previously it's a free
Free
pick.
pick, I remember. I know,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
yeah, they are constructing this VPIC website. It will be free access only. Canva. When we are going to the Canva, some of the images we want to purchase, but VPIC
Correct.
will be providing the free access for all the infographics. First you understand, ma'am, we are not, when the copyright issues will come means we can directly using the VPIC documents or any one of the document you can without the modification we can use in our article. It may be the copyright issue will come, but it is open access. That websites clearly indicate that anyone can access that listed infographics as per your convenience. But in our literature we want to customize. We are not directly using the same image or same photos in our research work. So based on our need we want to customize. So obviously it is not under the copyright. In the VPIC it will be giving for the free access. How we can the Canva software, Canva websites is available, or their contents, their flow of website, everything is similar to the VPIC also. So you can go through the VPIC, so you will get the good experience, ma'am. But collection comparatively, VPIC's collection is minimum collection only they have, because they are newly founded the website. So minimum comparatively Canva is a big forum. They are having the good repository. But VPIC's is nowadays they're developing a website. But what are the flow of websites? What are the flow of contents available in the Canva? Same, all the contents available VPIC also. Yeah. Meanwhile, you can use the VPIC for content writing, AI detection, and background removal. That are the option also is available in the VPIC, ma'am. You can go to the VPIC and explore that. What are the content? What is your need depends upon you can use that.
And for language editing, sir, which one would you recommend more, Grammarly or
Grammarly, ma'am. Grammarly, I recommend, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So next I am moving for AI detection tool. So many of researchers, so many of participants yesterday asking about how we can avoid how we can remove our AI detection content. So here some of the website I list out here: GPT-0, Originality AI, Writer, Copylix, Scribber, SciSpace, and XAI. So these are all the AI tools. It will be most useful for analyze your content under the AI, by the AI created or writing by the human. So I will give the demo for that. First, I am going to ChatGPT. Okay, the ChatGPT is available here. Okay, first I am creating the content. For content, I am creating the content right about. Here you can see I copy the first two paragraphs. So I'm creating, I'm putting the I'm inserting the prompt right about the machine learning in 200 words. So it will be giving, it is given for 200 words, I think. So I'm directly go to the Scribber website. First, I'm going to the Scribber. Scribber AI detector. So I'm click that. Here you can see the forum is available. It is a free only. You can copy and paste your content here. So you can click that analyze text. So I'm putting analyze text. It will be showing for likely is a AI generated. So it text likely AI generated. So obviously I'm creating the content from the AI. So now I'm going to this content. This is I'm written content. I'm checking this content. What about the AI score? Analysis is completed. You can see here of the text likely AI generated. 0% is the AI generated. This is the one way you can copy and paste the content here. Again, I want to insist it. So don't upload your articles anywhere. You can copy and paste. That is the same. Okay, so here you can see this is my I'm written content. There is no AI score, but which content I am created by the chat GPT, it will be showing the AI score. But how we can remove that AI deduction, that is the most important things. So I want to move that. So here another AI tool, the size space. So here I'm seeing same content I want to put here also. Analyze. Here you can see 86% of AI content is deducted. So based on the database, all the AI tools is working under the how much database they are having depends upon the database they are giving the outcome. So okay, here based on this size space database, it will be 86% of AI deduction is there. So moreover, it's not accepted. It is not accepted limit. So fine. So now I am checking my own content. Here you can see essentially human. So this content is written by the human. So this is also giving the good accurate. Moreover, 80% is accurate result it will be given. So now how I can deduct, how I can remove the AI deduction? If I first of all, if you are creating the content through the AI, it is not ethics. First I want to register that. But you create the content means you want to customize based on the need, or you modify that content based on the requirement. First thing. So if after the modification also it will be showing for the some AI deduction, means you want to convert that AI deduction to the human written contents. How we can change that? So now I am going to fix bypass AI deductor. Here you can see Higgs bypass undeductible AI. Here you can see that. So this is the AI interface. You can which content you are created by the AI through the chat GPT. I am copy and paste that particular content here. So here one of the option is the humanize. You can click the humanize. You have hit the word limit, so upgrade your words. Okay, fine. So already I'm checking too many times, so only it will be showing. Just 1 minute and log in my another account. So that is the important things. If you are using that free versions, this type of the limitation is there 1 or 2 times, 3 times you can use, but after that you want to go to the purchase the subscription. That is the So here you can see machine learning subset. This content is created by the AI. So I want to change this content by the content is converted to the as a human writer who the content is converted to that AI to human written. So here you can see the output content seems to be human written. So the content is totally changed as a human written content. So here I want to check this content. So I'm not going to the inside. The content is same meaning or the convey the same things in that what the AI written. Okay, that is apart from that you can read and the content is okay for you. You can use that. So simply I am told how we can avoid that AI deduction. So now this content I want to this is okay, fine. Here I am copy this content only. This is some word limit is there, so only it will be showing. I'm copying this content. Okay. Okay. So then I'm going for scripter. So that line is not required. Okay. Here you can see that first paragraph. Previously I have put the same paragraph. You can see here that first paragraph only I am putting here. So it will be showing for the 100% AI deduction. But when I convert that content as a human returned content means that time it will be showing the AI deduction is here you can see 0% of AI generated content. Because one more time I want to insist that this workshop we are not promoting any AI tools. But yesterday some researchers is asking how to avoid the AI deduction. So only I am giving that instruction about that AI deduction, AI removing from that through the one of the AI tools. AI returned content is removing from that one of the AI tools. That's all. So do you have any doubt in this case? I will help you. Then we can move that.
So one more thing,
Yes, ma'am.
I know that we're not looking forward to, promoting any AI, uh, detection tool or anything as such, and it's not ethical to use
Yeah, it's not ethical to
AI
use.
as a writing tool.
Mhm.
But in many cases that have been there in the past, where people have used AI and then, they've tried to bypass it using some humanizer or maybe some other tool or such. Finally, when it is put through some plagiarism checker, nowadays Turnitin and other sort of plagiarism checkers that are there, like Authenticate and others, they also have AI detection, right? Or AI assistance writing detection
Yeah,
they
ma'am.
have.
Yeah, ma'am. Instructor
So,
accounts, you know that it is Turnitin is having the AI deduction options, so it is available to
correct.
the instructor account because you know that in our available resources we can change our reducing our the same content, same AI created content. I have changed by the humanizer AI tool. Then again, I am checking for the Turnitin plagiarism checker. That time we are not expecting for same result.
Hmm.
The Turnitin database is very huge database they are having, but
Correct.
in these particular websites they are not. We don't know, but comparatively they are not having that huge database. It may be it will be showing, but it is not 100%. It will be it's 100%. It is not showing in the Turnitin also. It will be reduced, but the
Okay.
percentage we don't know.
No, but what is showing here as 0% AI detection on
Yes.
the uh, whatever SciSpace, that is Typeset.io or Bscriber or
Yeah,
any
yeah.
of these other detection tools, softwares, free softwares or applications that we have, that 0% might not actually be authentically 0% if we go through Turnitin as well. So that 0% might actually be still 5% or 10%
Yeah,
or
yeah,
something
yeah,
of
yeah.
that sort, right?
Yeah,
So
yes,
it
ma'am.
is
Yes, ma'am.
not a
Yes, ma'am.
very authentic way of telling that
It's
it
not a
is not
it's not a very
very reliable,
authenticate,
right?
but our students, so you know that all the, I'm the PhD scholar, but I have the student account Turnitin, but instructor account is more than 3 lakhs rupees. We want to buy that 3 lakhs rupees for instructor account for analyzing that AI detection tool. Okay, so we are using this type of the options. We are we are fixed. That is the reducing the AI detection, but we are not assured that the totally the AI detection, the 100% AI detection is not. It is reduced. So before submission, you want to check one time. You can use this all the tool. Before checking, you can check one, turn it in plagiarism checking software. Then you can move. That is a good. But whether they are not available for the checking for plagiarism means there is no way we want to directly submit to the journal. So if the AI deduction is there, the journal intimated to the editor, the giving the request for reducing the AI deduction, then it will be, but it will be taking the time. It will be, it's a consuming process, time consuming process. But there is no option for checking the plagiarism, turn it in access means we want to follow that only, man.
Okay, sir. And sir, initially on the first day, you had mentioned that Turnitin free account is also available, where
Yes, ma'am.
we can submit our research article and get a certain like
Yes, ma'am. I will
in-depth
share the. I will share the link. So I will go. I will. I have the link, but I want to check that link first. But I don't. I did not recommend that. So that is a free Turnitin. Result it may be similar, but your data it may be stored in the server means. So after that it will be giving the huge problem. So before uploading your article, any one of the online tools, so please take decisions. You can take the decisions. That is the most important things, man.
Sure, sure. All right, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, this is the AI deduction. So this is not this is ethics or non-ethics. So okay, but if yesterday one ma'am is told, sir, I am written the article, but it will be showing for AI deductions. How I want to remove that AI deduction. So that time you can use this type of the tools. Apart from that, you can directly write your content through the ChatGPT. What I am done here. So directly write the content to the ChatGPT. You are going to bypass bypass websites. You can directly convert the AI content to the human essay. You can directly put in that in your research article means it will be okay. But it may be if the problem came means it will be affect your career. So you take the decision to take the before taking the risk. Okay. Okay, then I'm moving on. Infographic development tools. I have listed out several infographic development tools, which is giving the attractive images, attractive flow charts, and attractive graphs. So everything we can getting from that this infographic development tool. You can select or personally I am using Canva. My company also I'm using. We are creating the brochure by the Canva and VPIC and Draw.io also we are using. So Draw.io is like a similar MS Paint. So most of the options there it's available there also. So depends upon the you need. You can use. You can select one or two AI tools or one and three out of three out of these AI tools. So you can select and you can use. So you can explore those. There are so many options available. You want to create a certificate, ID card, and you can write some of the infographic development tools. They are providing the access for creating content, AI content, say background remover, video background remover, all the options available. So you can explore one by one. So if you have any queries, any doubt, so you can put it your queries in the WhatsApp group. I will let you know as soon as possible.
These are the free.
Yes, yes, these are the free software, sir.
free softwares we can use, na sir? No need of
Yes, sir.
purchasing
Yes,
it.
sir. No, sir. No, sir. Some of the images you want, no, sir. Some of the images, some of the infographic you want to pay and buy.
Okay.
So that will be happen. So subscription is required for. It's not all the images. Some of the images it will be having the subscription. Some of the images is free option. So which is the free you
Okay.
can access that. So there is no copyright problem.
Okay. There we have to register and we can use. Correct, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Normally, if you enter any AI tools, they are collecting your data. So then only they are marketing. Na, they are marketing their product to the
Sir, sir, can we get link for each and every software which you just mentioned in the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. I will give that all the link by the WhatsApp group, ma'am.
And moreover, sir, I joined that WhatsApp group on day 2. So day 1 presentation is not with me. Can you repost it in the
Yeah,
group?
sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Today
Okay,
also I
thank you
am
so much.
reposted, ma'am. Today also I am reposted day 1, I think. So I will check and let you know, ma'am. I will put that again.
Oh, okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So other AI tools, you want to create the presentations, a mind-blowing presentation means you can use the Gamma AI, Prezi, Canva also. It is most of that industry person, they are not using the Microsoft PowerPoint. They are using for Canva for attractive presentation and the text topics. So these are all the some of the AI tools for creating the presentation. So you can directly go to the ChatGPT. You can get the content. In the same content, you can put it that this one of the AI. It will be giving for the PPT version.
So can we
Sir,
have
yeah.
a demo for the same what you just mentioned?
Demo means I want to create the content. I want to check the presentation, no, ma'am?
Yes, yes. You said you'll will put the content in ChatGPT, and then from there it will come to this Canva and all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
1 minute. Here you can see, ma'am. Ma'am?
yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You can
Sir,
see,
sir,
ma'am.
It's fun to watch this actually.
It is already
very, very
creating for
speedy, immediately ready.
Very smart. Yes.
it is creating image what is required in that particular place. It is not already available image. It is a AI creating image. You can go to that.
Yes,
This is the
yes.
power of AI, ma'am. This is
Correct. I mean, I'm totally impressed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So you can AI. No, ma'am. First of all, one thing we want to understand: AI is not replace the human, but AI improve the productivity of the human. That is the how we can use the AI. That is the most important thing. We want to follow some ethic rules and regulations. Then you can use the AI. Nothing problem. So you want to
Sir,
based on your need, you want to customize. Some person is directly using these contents directly. They are presenting say anyway. So it is very. It is. There is no their part, their own contribution in that particular process. That is the problem. So we want to get information from the chat GPT. We can get the support from the chat GPT, but won't put all the burden to the chat GPT, sorry, AI tools. That is the most important thing.
Is this
sir, one
better
more
than is this human?
technology, nano discovery, like that one keyword you please give, sir.
Sorry, sir, I'm not understand, sir.
Sir, like this nano drug delivery, with that word you please show one more time, sir. Nano drug delivery system. We have to search in chat GPT first. No?
Hmm.
Uh, Hello, can I speak?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
There is in the paid version of ChatGPT 4.0, there is an option called as Slides GPT also. Is this better than that, or I mean it's similar to that?
Slate GPT paid version.
Slide GPT. There is an option. I mean, if you go to the Slides GPT, I mean, do you have a paid version? This is a paid version of
No,
ChatGPT
sir.
that
No,
you
sir.
have.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. So work in
Okay.
the normal version only.
Okay, because what a Chat GPT 4.0, there is something called a Slides GPT.
Okay.
I mean, this is one of the powerful tool which we actually use.
Okay. But it okay. Sir, here you can see, sir. Sir, 1 minute, 1 minute, sir. I will come.
Sir, yes, sir. So we have to
Yes, sir.
paste it. Na? Chat details we have to paste here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can
Comma.
paste it, and selecting. First you paste it the content, and after the continuation, you can select the format, what type of the background you require. So you can select the what background. I'm selecting this background, and I'm generating the PPT. Means it will be generating, sir.
Okay, right. Sir.
And Gamma is free,
Very nice.
or
Gamma is free, sir. Free only, but
Okay.
some restriction, it may be 1 or 2 times you can use that. So more than 1 or 2 times, it is, I think.
okay.
So the slide GPT, it's going very slow. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
actually, it takes a little bit of time, but I use it regularly
Okay, okay,
to
okay,
create slides.
okay.
But it's
Okay, okay, okay. So I don't familiar in that slide GPT. So
sure,
I will
sure.
check,
Sir,
sir. I will check. Yes, ma'am.
may
Yes,
I
ma'am.
put forward? Yes, sir. In the beginning, I mean, 5, 6 months back, I used one more similar AI platform topics, kind of. So,
Okay.
but now I'm not able to log in, even if it is I'm good or not. If any
No, let me clarify you, madam. Any link which ends with AI, it's a extension of ChatGPT itself. So if you take
Is it?
if you take any web that has an AI in it, it's automatically an extension of ChatGPT itself. So I think if you take the paid version of the ChatGPT, I think you will have something. I mean, you will have a lot of options in there.
So because I wrote, like, I wanted to write literature review on particular topic, it gave me subheading also which I should include. So structured headings, copy AI, which it gave to me. Sometimes I really wish other AI softwares to have same. Even ChatGPT was not, because ChatGPT was giving kind of generalized paragraph on that particular topic,
No,
but copy AI
what I
gave
mean to
me.
say, madam, I have not used it, but dot AI is an extension of ChatGPT itself. That is what I wanted to tell you. That's all.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I did not know. I thought they are completely independent
No,
platform.
there are two main
Ma'am,
players. One is
which
the
AI,
ChatGPT.
ma'am? Copy AI. Copy AI.
Copy AI. So if in
Okay.
case I can use it again anyhow, I'm not
Possibly,
able
Ruby
to
ma'am,
access.
Okay,
what
ma'am. I will.
Dr. Shishir was mentioning is that
Yes.
since it's an extension of ChatGPT, it's just a trained model which has been
Yes.
trained
Yes.
to a certain extent with certain understanding of documents and other things, and maybe some bit of language scripting that has gone into it, which
Mm-hmm.
serves the purpose of, in your case, you mentioned literature reviews, which the regular
Right.
chat GPT large language modeling software is not actually trained to. And for us to get to that level on a regular chat GPT platform would require extensive amount of training of the software for that
Right.
particular purpose. So now if you
Right.
realize that ChatGPT on an overall, which earlier, let's say 2-3 months ago, until 2-3 months ago, ChatGPT never used to be able to connect between two different prompt windows that were running simultaneously, or maybe like something that you have already searched on ChatGPT and then you have started a new search prompt or a search window. So it
Mm-hmm.
never used to tie back the connections between those two different windows. Now ChatGPT is able to do that. So there are
Yes.
slowly other developments that are happening across.
Okay.
So let's
Uh-huh.
say today you put in a factor saying that you are working on so and so, or maybe your research is on maybe whatever is your topic. So that is one chat window that you have had with ChatGPT. 10 windows down the line or 10 different searches later also, you ask ChatGPT to write a LinkedIn bio for you, or maybe anything sort of a bio. It ties
Mm-hmm.
back to the point that it has recognized that you are a research scholar. Your area of research is so and so,
Right.
and your current work has progressed to whatever is the extent that you have possibly already mentioned at some
Mm-hmm.
point in time. So it has started to tie back things to the multiple areas of search terms that you have put across. So with that,
Okay.
training process is still ongoing, but I think at certain points in time, for certain purposes, the specific AI extensions or the plugins which are there as copy AI that you mentioned are
Yes.
already trained models, which ChatGPT still is not uh, very much capable of handling.
Like evolving
Yes, it is evolving, but
terms.
I think each plugin has a specific purpose. Let's say whimsical diagrams is more to do with helping you to generate some flowcharts and images and stuff like that, which the regular
Mm-hmm.
ChatGPT fails to do. The regular
Right.
window
Agree.
without the plugin fails to do. So
Agree.
that way it's already trained to give you a flowchart, understand the text that you have already fed in as an input, and only
Mm-hmm.
generate diagrams for you.
Right. Right.
So the
A
training
question.
and the scripting is different there.
Yes. Yes. Agree. And ma'am, one more question, what you were just explaining, I got a question from there. Is there any way like we can convert our paragraph to some mind map? Because nowadays many journals, they are asking on mind map abstract. So
Correct,
can we,
correct. So mind maps के
so
लिए there is one thing called Whimsical, which is again a plugin. You can even use it as a separate entity. If you have a even if you have a free version of ChatGPT, there is a ChatGPT 4.0 extension which is permissible for even the free users to use to a certain extent. There is a daily limit to it. So you will be
okay,
able to see some of the plugins on the left-hand side panel of your ChatGPT window, and you can add other GPTs, explore GPT or add GPTs as an option. And from there, you can pull in these whimsical diagrams or maybe something of the similar sorts can definitely be pulled in to
okay,
create a,
that's great.
mind map. So whimsical diagrams is
Yes,
nothing but for mind maps only.
okay,
Though it cannot be directly pulled in, but it gives you at least a good starting point, I would say.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, yes, yes.
Madam,
Yes.
hello. Hello.
No worries, no
Hello.
worries.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Suppose I like to use the ChatGPT for analyzing some statistical data as well as the presentation of the statistical data. So how can I use this ChatGPT, or what kind of specific ChatGPT prompt module that can be used for that purpose? Suppose I think say any showing any relationship for statistical analysis. So how can this ChatGPT can help me? Shall I put the data, all the data set, whenever I am putting all this data set, that ChatGPT says I am not being able to analyze this. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Uh, am I audible? Hello?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
sir?
You are asking question for me.
Yes, ma'am. This is my query. This is my worry. Can I get to the point?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can get the point.
Yeah.
You know, sir, in the ChatGPT is some restriction is there in the free version. So if you go to try and premium version, so it will be give for better interpretation about your statistical data, sir. So I think I don't know. I don't have clear idea about that. I'm not using the ChatGPT premium version. So you can try the premium version. So it may be workouts. I will, sir, one more thing I want to share with you. I will share one AI for prompt. So how we can write the prompt? You can give your instruction by the wording in the particular AI. The particular AI suggests the prompt. How you can put the ChatGPT prompt. Okay, I will share the WhatsApp group. So how we can create the effective prompt for developing the content.
Okay.
So,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
so like you just mentioned that it can also analyze data. Can it analyze like data or some?
Yes,
I
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can
like
upload. You can figure in the form of figures. You can upload that ChatGPT. I think per day 4 times only you can upload. I think free version 4 times or 3 times you can
and so
upload the
moreover,
three.
can it provide analysis for a particular map? Like I prepare map in geospatial softwares.
Yes,
So can
ma'am.
it provide interpretation for that also?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you know, in the share market, I'm looking for the share market sometime. I'm that graph, that chart I have uploaded to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT giving for that lot of information about that the particular share. When which is the entry price, what is the exit price, what is the particular how the particular share acting. So everything it will be giving for by the images, by when we are giving the images, the particular chart, by in the form of chart. So same things you can upload your data, XRD data, or FTA, or any one of the data, or you are creating the graph. That graph also you can upload that. So, but when you are uploading that graph, so you want to clearly mention that x-axis, y-axis. So that is the most important. Based on that, you want to give the prompt. So this is that data I have achieving this type of the result. So how can you please interpret this chart? You can give the proper prompt. So you will get the proper information about that interpretation about that particular chart. It will be good.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, another AI tools already we are reached that time, so I'm quickly moving. In just 1 minute. Okay. So next AI tools I want to convey here the PDF to PPT conversion. So if you want to present your presentations among your DC committee at that time, you want to convert any one of the PDF documents. So you want to in the literature survey, in the literature review slides, you want to convey that you want to convert that PDF version document. You want to convey the PPT means you can copy and paste. It is not giving the good it is not giving the good effects. So you can directly go to upload that particular PDF, that whole PDF, it will be converted to the PPT. Then you can, what are the content you require, so you can easily delete and add that content in the particular topic. So here you can any number, it is not only for research papers, any one of the document you can upload by the PDF format, you can convert the PPT version. So this is a Canvas, Scholarly, and Slides Pilot, and the Magic Slide, and the Slide Speak. So these are all the AI tools which is effectively using for converting PDF to PPT. So you can explore one by one. So you can it will be getting the good idea. So then image processing tools. So here is a Python and IDL, MATLAB and DCOM and OpenCV and Chorus. So these are all the image processing tools which is last 20 years. As you know, so MATLAB is it is the more ancient software. So nowadays also the MATLAB is play the vital role in the research field. So they are updating the day by day. Now the AI is also play the vital role in that MATLAB. So these are all the image processing tool. You can use any one of the tool. You can create your graphs like that. Normally, as a mechanical engineering, we are using for MATLAB and Origin for plotting the graph. So in the computer science, the Python ideal tools, depends upon the expertise they are using, selecting the tools. So these are all the best image processing tool which is available in the market. So next one is the
image processing tools for graph, sir.
So graph chart, that is
graph chart. Okay.
So next I want to convey that this is the best AI tool. Here, in this emerging days, we won't spend 2 or 3 hour time for reading the research article. So in this type of the AI tools, it will be helpful for, you can upload your article in this particular AI. The AI will read that article. It is giving that audio form. So you can, using the earphone, you can simply hear that content which is placed in that particular article. So Speechify is normally you can use 1 or 2 times, but some subscription is required. The audio mic, it's a new AI tools. It's a free access now, but some limitation is there. 3 to 4 times you can use, but after that you can't go to the premium. So listening tool and art discovery and Flicky is one of the recent AI tools which will be creating that content. It will be creating the audio version of content. You can directly copy and paste your content. That AI, it will be reading one by one with the video. You can download the video also. So today I am downloading. Wait, I will give one video. Today I am using that. This is my Twitter post. So now currently I am doing guest editor position in that SCI journal. So I have put that information, that post in that Twitter. So through that Twitter, that what are the things I am posted in that my Twitter. So that Flickr, it will be getting, you can directly go to that Flickr website. You can copy that particular link of Twitter post or any Facebook post or any one of the posts. So you can simply click copy that link. You can paste that Flicky's AI tools. It will be giving for audio form. What is we are posted in that by the written, so it will be giving for the audio form. So it will be created. It will be automatically created by the video. So you can use that video also. You know, like a example for you can create that short video we can create now. So related that. So we can create the content. We can create the content. We can put it the content to the Flickr. Flickr give the video form. So it will be giving the own voice, AI voice, and it will be giving the subtitle also. It will be giving for that voice. But what is the problem here? It will be showing for the watermark. So watermark means if you going to purchasing the premium versions, the watermark will be removed. But otherwise, you are not paying the premium version, means the watermark will come with the video. So that's not a problem for the academic purpose. So you can use that.
So it means our voice or automatically its own
automatic
voice?
voice, AI voice, sir. AI voice.
Yeah. Male voice, female voice, like that it will select.
That is, I'm not clearly seen that. Automatically it will be showing. It may be select, sir. So can I give the demo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Click. Here you can see, sir. Here idea, prompt and script, blog, PPT and Twitter. So I'm creating the video for my Twitter. So here example for I'm creating the script. So same script I'm putting here. Copy. Paste. Next, here you can see the language English is language is a United States. Stock media video version I want. AI media is already AI media is available. You want to change that diagram background. So based on your requirement, more B-roll sound effect. Okay, 18 minutes. So you want to change the voice means you want to go to subscriptions, sir. It will be showing the voice cloning in the $28. So you want to give that subscription. You want to get the subscription. Then only you're going to change that audio version. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
So here I have submitted. So just wait for few minutes. So it will be creating by video. I think audible, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay. I think okay, the video is going on, sir. So here, what are the content I placed here? It is an audio form. It is showing with the background, sir. So here you want to change the background, or you are going to landscape or square, you can change, and speed also you can change. So based on your requirement, you can customize that. But some of the option only it can be enabled. So more option you require, you want to go to that option, this option, that subscription based option. Yes, sir. Are you understand, sir?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
So another one of the,
Yes, sir.
another one of the best AI text to video audio converter. So then I want to give the demo that also. Just 1 minute, sir. Something problem here. Don't know why it will be asking again and again. Is the student MIT agriculture? Here, that option is available, sir. You can directly go to your article. The download option. So I'm upload this article. Here you can select the voice. You can check that voice, which voice you want. You can use the voice, and randomly I'm selecting the all your voice. The paper is uploading in that particular AI. Sir, you can see here only the 22 minutes it is summarized this particular article. It's a video is going on, sir. So it will be showing for that summarized. It is a key statement. It is abstract, and it summarizes the introduction also. So here you can see. So up to the abstract you can use. After that you are going to use that introduction part. You want to get the subscription. So that is the every AI tools they are giving the free access for some of the option only. So most rest of the options you want to pay that we want to get the subscription. That is the major issue, sir. Sir, are you okay with this, sir? Can I continue? Hello, I'm audible,
Sir,
right?
yes, sir. Sir, please. Yes,
Yes,
audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, next one I want to, yes, sir, thank you, sir. Next one I want to, already we crossed our limit. So next one I want to discuss about that all-in-one AI tool for researchers. Here the researcher.life, they are giving the n number of options, but you want to get the subscription. That is the most important thing. So here I have given that minimum 704 rupees, minimum 533 rupees for own plan. What are the things is available in that in this particular AI, the researcher.life is academic writing, infographic development, and literature recommender, and the research skill course. They are providing the courses also. If you get the subscription, you can access the courses in freely. So that is the most important things. So next I want to illustrate about that Higgs AI. Already I have discussed the Higgs bypass AI. Higgs AI also it's one of the best AI. It will be giving the n number of options. So you know that simply I'm putting that XAI. So this is the search engine. So I'm going to that XAI search engine. Here you can see what are the options: paragraph generator, article rewriter, paraphraser, sentence expander, AI text generator, essay writer. You can see here more than 120 services they are provided by that XAI. You can check that if you require any tools. I don't aware about that tools. Some of the tool it will be 1 or 2 times it will be free, but after that you want to pay the subscription. So because here there are n number of options available. So you can see here more than 120. You can create the social media. Under the social media, you can create the Twitter post and Facebook post and the ads and Instagram and every TikTok bio generator also. So many of option available. So based on your requirement, you can access. If you interested to purchasing this premium version, so based on your interest, you can go and purchase that. You can use this options. So finally, I want to conclude that the file searching tools. There are different types of,
Sir, previous slide, please, sir. One more time. Previous slide.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
please
sir.
continue, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. So next, I want to discuss about
Sir,
the file.
that amount, sir, that amount mentioned as 700 rupees, 800 rupees. This is every month or like
every
that?
month, sir. Per month, sir. Per month.
Per month. So automatically it will detect from our account, or we can stop it for 1 month.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You want to put your card details, so automatically deduct, sir. So you want to stop that. You want to yes. You want to stop that. You want to give the request from 1 week before.
Okay. Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Next, finally, I want to conclude this these 6 AI tools. So normally we want so we have, as a researcher, I know. So daily we can download the more minimum 10 to 15 articles. By the end of the month, we can get, our download folder having that huge number of articles, a huge number of documents and images, photos. So everything we want to searching in that Windows option, which is available, which is already available in that Windows option. It will be giving that, is not giving the accurate results. It will be taking so much of time. So file searching is the most important things. It will be safe. It will be reducing our timing and wasting our timing during the file searching the particular, identifying the documents. So here I have mentioned 3 AI tools, everything. So you can, I'm personally using the everything. It will be good. So the comparatively the Windows search option, it will be getting the accurate results is the quick time. So locate also is one of the AI tools, so you can use that. So Lucan is also one of the AI tools, so you can use for file searching. So apart from that, I want to mention the 3 AI tools for specific for interview practice. So if you are interested to if you are interested, or you are going to present your presentation, or you are attending any interviews, then you can previously you can you are going to the practice now. So you are the practice is the most important. You can directly go to the Udemy AI. So it is a free access. Some of it will be free access. I think I don't know clear about that. It is some subscription based is there, but most of the option it's free, I think. So Udemy you can directly go and give your presentation. So during it will be recorded by server, and it will be giving the suggestions of where you are lagging, so where you are your pronunciation is not good, and how much time you will take that. So how what are the positive and what are the negative in your presentation. So everything it will be giving by the list. So it will be improve our skill. It will be helpful for participating in the successful interview and getting the job. So before starting your presentation or any interview, you can You can get the practice from the Udly AI. It will be good. It will be giving the good impact in your interview performance. So next one is the computer coding. So normally is the Google Bard and ChatGPT. The Google Bard is changed for Gemini. So these tools, it will be creating the computer coding we can create, and creating the Excel formula. This is a formula.doc. Yeah, you can simply you can put your content, which formula you want. So I'm putting them as the first the 5 minus 6. So simply I'm telling that. So at that time, so what is the formula is required, what is the characters required, the plus or minus, everything it will be showing for this as a formula. You can directly copy that formula, you can place that particular cell, so formula it will be acting effectively. So these are all the things in my side. So thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. For we are really appreciate your patience for last 1.5 hours. If you have any queries, I'm really happy to help you. Please.
Sir, shall we get all the links? Sir? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will take the link tomorrow. So I will send by the WhatsApp group, sir. Don't worry about that. I will create one Word document. So all the link I will put it that Word document. I will share with you, sir. Don't worry about that.
Okay. So
Hello,
after going
sir.
to see.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir, I have just for the information, though you have repeatedly told in this session that it is out of ethics to use AI tools for writing any research and everything. Just for an information, suppose I take any one paragraph from any of the AI tool like ChatGPT, and then I convert into humanify form that particular paragraph. Is there any possibility to for plagiarism percentage? Will it show any sort of plagiarism if I do like that?
No, ma'am. Plagiarism, most of the time AI created content, most of the time the plagiarism is not affected, but AI deduction will be affected. So nowadays the deduction, these softwares, Turnitin and plagiarism checking software, they are inbuilt for AI deduction also. There are two type of the score which is most important nowadays. First one the AI score, and another one is the plagiarism score. So if you are creating the content from the AI, it will be surely you are directly using that content in your research article, or directly if you're not changing anything. So if you not customize that content, means it will be surely showing in the AI score. It's not a plagiarism. Most of the time it is not showing the plagiarism, but it will be showing for the AI score.
So if I take any of the content from AI tools like ChatGPT and I convert it into human form, like with the help of any of the tools only, then if I put that paragraph into Turnitin, so there will be no plagiarism percentage in that particular paragraph.
Plagiarism, yes, ma'am. Plagiarism, there is no, is not affected for that. But AI detection will affect. That is, I want to tell that. AI detection may affect. Plagiarism, most of the time, plagiarism is not affect, which is created by the AI. But the content is created by the AI, na? So that AI detection may be appear in that AI Turnitin report.
Okay,
So for
sir.
this, plagiarism would still be detected until unless it's cited, right?
Sorry, ma'am.
So the plagiarism, this is in continuation to what ma'am had asked. Like plagiarism would show until unless the citation is there, the reference is there for it, right? If it's not reference, then it will definitely be detected for plagiarism as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So normally, ma'am. So normally, we are creating the content from the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not giving that all the time. Is not giving the references, but some of the AI tool giving the references also. So they are writing the content and giving the references also. So that time it will be affected, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. No, normally you can use the content from created, which is created by the AI. You can use the X AI, so you can convert the human. It's not ethics, but in the rare case you can use that AI. Then you can check before submission. One time you can check the Turnitin, so whether the AI deduction and plagiarism is available. So it will be good for rejection. It is good for it is good and affected. It's not affected for the rejection. It's not it's safeguard for the from the rejection.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. See, any other question from the participant side? I'm really happy to help you. I hope the sessions is a more. I think the session. I hope the sessions, all the 3 sessions might be helpful for everyone. If you have any queries after the workshops or after that event completion also, you can put it in your WhatsApp group. I will share that links of AI tools. What are the things I discussed in your in our last 3-day session? I will separately create. I will spend the time for providing the link. So tomorrow I will dedicatedly prepare the document with the AI name and AI link, so you can directly click that link. You can, it is directed to that particular AI you can use, but you can please use the AI increasing your productivity. Don't your contribution is the most important in your research. So ethically you can handle the AI. It will be good and it will be giving the more impact in your research career. Wish you all the best, everyone, for success. Successfully completed. Already you are completed PhD means no problem. So if you are research scholar in the research stage means it's a huge task. So we want to complete our PhD and we want to defend our PhD seminar. That is a predominant and the most important task for us. So use these AI tools carefully and publish your article and get the degree. So enjoy your life. And thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. So, okay, fine. There is no question from the participant side. So I want to really interested and really I'm waiting for this moment only. So kindly give your valuable feedback. Kindly unmute yourself and how we feel last 3 days sessions. Please give me your valuable feedback. So that will be giving that direct energy to us. So to conducting this type of the workshop in the future also. Please unmute yourself and give me your valuable feedback, please.
Sir, the program was very, very informative, useful. We got lot of information, sir. It is new to me, especially this AI tools. I have never used, I have never heard also, except ChatGPT. Something other things are very, very new to me. Very wonderful to explain in simple language. That is the thing we can get the points, sir. We'll be in touch.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you so much for your positive and valuable feedback, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And sir, before
Yes.
attending this workshop, I used to wander around and serve for n number of AIs and was not able to like stop at a single point. But for the last 3 days, the platform you have provided all the information at one single point, and now I can like proceed and I can use AI judicially and systematically, organized way. So that's
Yes.
the most I mean. It hopefully it will increase my efficiency also.
Yes, yes, sir. That is our
Because of
main
mindless
agenda, ma'am.
wandering, you have reduced a lot.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That is our main agenda, main aim for conducting this workshop, ma'am. So we want to serve our community. That is our main intention, ma'am. So thank you so much for your valuable feedback. Please use the AI tool ethically and enhance your productivity, ma'am.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Sir, actually, this is wonderful ice-breaking session, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much,
most
sir.
of the people, including me, sir, very scared to start a research and all. But after this wonderful workshop, we got a lot of ideas and a lot of tools and came to know to and start and break all the fears to start research, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. That is our that is our main agenda for conducting this workshop, sir. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you, sir.
valuable feedback, sir.
Thanks for ResearchGate team to conduct wonderful workshop like this.
ResearchGate,
Thanks for the opportunity, sir.
this is not a ResearchGate, sir. It's a Scholars Gate. So ResearchGate
Sorry,
is okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thanks for
Yeah,
thanks for the great opportunity.
thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
So, any other feedback? Please unmute yourself and share your feelings. That is the most. I'm waiting for this moment for from last 3 days. So please unmute yourself
Wonderful.
and.
Sir, it's a wonderful session, sir.
Yes.
Really, I got to know something new from this session, and it is very useful for my future researches. Thank you so much for this session.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your invaluable feedback, ma'am. Thank you so much. Please connect with us, ma'am, for further events.
Definitely, sir.
Thank you. Sangeeta Sago, ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am, for active participation. Dear participant, please, I expect more feedback from your side. Please unmute yourself and share your feelings. It may be it's a positive or negative, so it would be more helpful for us, please.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Yeah. It was wonderfully delivered by you, and lots of effort you have done to make us understand about the AI tools. So I really appreciate your efforts.
Yes, ma'am.
One thing I would like to request you that you should conduct some. Actually, I missed the first day session, so I don't know
Okay.
whether you have delivered that or not. I have not gone through the video yet, so I will watch it. But my query is regarding some tools on the drawing of some diagrams which are useful for us. Some AI tools I would like to know about to how to draw the diagrams.
Okay.
3D diagrams and such type of diagrams which we require sometimes to write some good type review paper. So I'd like to know about that.
Yes, ma'am. We will organize the upcoming workshop. So I think probably December month or November last month, we will organize the origin graph, origin software, explore the origin software and MATLAB, how we can create that infographic to this forum. So I will arrange the workshop, please.
Yeah. And one more workshop we require on the latest tool. It may be AI tool. Some of websites are there which are providing us just two-way ANOVA. Just put the data and they will provide us the result. So some training like that on statistical analysis, if some tools are there for. So we are interested in that.
Ma'am, two-way, one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, it is simple
Post hoc
way
tests are
only.
there.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. We will search any AI tools which is available for especially statistical analysis. We will include our that AI tools also our upcoming session, ma'am.
Yeah. That is, I'm talking about the AI tool, SPSS, and these are some old tools and very vast tools. So if we can do our work very quickly by doing the statistical analysis. So my request is if you will conduct some session, then inform me.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. So we will get the detail about the upcoming session by the WhatsApp group also, mail also.
Yeah. Sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback, ma'am. Thank you so much. Any other participant you want to register your feedback? So we are really excited to hear the feedbacks. Please.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please. Hello. Hello, sir. I am audible, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
You are audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. I think some person is speaking. Okay. So please, okay, fine. Please give your feedback. It's possible now. We are delighted to hear that feedback. So that is our so we are waiting for 3 days for this moment. So giving some boost for us for conducting the more workshop in the future also. Please register your feedback. What you are thinking last 3 day sessions, please. Okay, fine. Okay, dear participants, thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity to conduct these 3 days AI tools research and publication workshop. I think already shared Google review link and Google form, feedback form, already shared by the WhatsApp group and already shared by the chat box also. Please submit the both feedbacks before 12 p.m. of tomorrow. So before 12 p.m. of tomorrow, you should submit the both feedbacks. Then only we can process your certificate within 48 hours. The certificate and meeting link and what are the document we have discussed in that workshop. So we will share everything by the registered email ID. So recording you will get tomorrow morning. So today recording already today recording I shared. So today recording tomorrow morning I will share. Apart from that, in that registered email ID, you will get all the documents along with your certificate. So from your side, from our side, we are successfully completed. I think, I hope I satisfied your expectation from this workshop. It may be some miscommunication, it may be happen. So I'm regretted that. I hope that I satisfied you. Please give your feedback. I'm not asking for you want to give the positive feedback, so I'm not asking like that. So you can give your feedback based on your experience, based on your learning, based on your learning in, from last 3 days. So it may be the positive, it may be the negative. It's not a problem. So you will give the feedbacks, then only we can process your certificate, and it will be reached within 40 specified time period. So otherwise it will be taking the delay, huge delay for getting the certificate. So please, from our side, we have completed all the work. So from your side, you can submit the both feedback as soon as possible. It will be giving the more helpful for us. So thank you so much for giving this wonderful. Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
yes,
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
That link is not working, which is for feedback. The forms, Google, that link is not working.
Link is not
So
opening.
that is
Rajesh,
not opening.
just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
Rajesh.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise,
what happened?
Time, please. That link is not working.
Just 1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute. Link is working, sir. I don't know why it's not working. Link is working, sir. Feedback link is working, and Google review link.
We are not able to open it.
Okay. So you are opened by the chat box, or you are opening by the WhatsApp group, ma'am?
I have pasted the link in the new browser. I have opened this in the chat box through WhatsApp group also. It is not opening. I have tried every means.
It is working only. Received 30 plus response.
It is working only, ma'am. In my side, it's working. So I don't know why it's a problem. Can you share your screen?
Working fine, sir. Working fine, sir.
So kindly share it. Kindly share it in WhatsApp, ma'am. WhatsApp, sir. Otherwise,
yeah, already shared, sir. Already shared by the WhatsApp group, sir. Yes, sir. Already shared by the WhatsApp group, sir.
In the email we not received, sir. Email, can you send in email also, please? Google.
So in the feedback form, we are not sending. Okay, sir. We will send the email also, sir. You will receive the email.
Email. Sometimes yes, WhatsApp problem means at least through email we can
now it is working,
send the link.
Sir.
Now working now, ma'am?
Now it is working, sir.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm kindly requested to everyone, please submit your feedback. So that is giving the indirect support for us, because your positive feedback or negative feedback, the positive feedback giving our conducting this type of the workshop in the future is more and but negative feedback we will correct ourselves and conducting the more better workshop compared to this. So if you have the positive or negative, you can submit your feedback both as soon as possible. That is the most important, that then only we can process your certificate. So it will be reached within the time, within the schedule, within the prescribed time. So thank you so much. Anybody want to tell anything? So the last for that last minute we are came the conclusion. So anybody want to speak anything? So you can use that. So otherwise we wind up the session. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. And one more information I want to share now. Our upcoming workshop, it will be scheduled in November 6 to 8. So it is fully focused on research funding and research proposal preparation and research funding. It is taking for the Majumdar, so which is he is working the assistant professor in Madanampalli Institute of Science and Technology. So he having the good experience in this funding proposal preparation and funding apply the funding proposal and what are the opportunities is available for getting funding for our research work. So that workshop, it will be scheduled in November 6 to 8. If you interested to know about the funding opportunities available in India, so what is the international opportunities available for funding our research. So if you really interested, you can join that session also. So if you're interested, you can join. So no problem. So thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. Anyone can want to speak something here. Now, can you please unmute yourself? Yeah, Kusha Mandika. So sorry, ma'am, I don't know. Yes, so what is, yes, yes, ma'am. Now, okay. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Actually,
am I audible? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you are audible, sir. I don't know why it's not possible for unmute. Hello, sir. Kusha Mandika, sir. Hello. I think the network issue in that side, so no issue for that. Okay, thank you, Kusha Mandika, sir, for your valuable feedback. So thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. The Dr.